In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lead scoring in Hubspot. This process is an essential part of leveraging HubSpot's platform to optimize your marketing and sales efforts. By assigning values to different leads, you can prioritize who to focus on based on their likelihood to convert. So let's dive right in and make the most out of this powerful feature. To get started, you'll first want to open up your web browser and navigate over to HubSpot's homepage. This is the main gateway to accessing all of the specific tools and features HubSpot offers. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed, typically on the top right corner of the screen. Just click on this button to proceed. After you've clicked login, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, you have access to all of your dashboard's key features. What you want to do next is find the search bar, usually located at the top or within a prominent menu. You'll type in lead scoring into this search bar. It's a direct and effective way to pinpoint exactly where you need to go next, especially if it's your first time navigating this particular feature. Once you've typed in lead scoring and initiated the search, you should see an option specifically labeled as lead scoring. Clicking on this link will direct you to the lead scoring section within HubSpot. Now, this is where the real fun begins and where you can start customizing the lead scoring criteria according to your company's specific needs. Next, you'll see an option that says Start from Scratch. Clicking this option enables you to set up a new lead scoring mechanism from the ground up, providing full control over the parameters and criteria that best suit your organization. Starting from scratch allows you to craft a highly customized approach, tailored precisely to your business model. After choosing to start from scratch, the next logical step is to click on the Create button. This action will prompt HubSpot to establish a new lead scoring rule. It's the moment where all your inputs and configurations finally come together to form an actionable strategy. By being attentive in setting up your criteria, you're setting the stage for a more structured and effective lead engagement approach. There you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive guide to setting up lead scoring in HubSpot. This process should help you better identify and prioritize leads that are most likely to convert, thereby significantly enhancing your marketing and sales pipeline efficiency. Remember, the more you experiment and fine-tune, the more streamlined and effective your lead scoring will become. Thanks for tuning in and happy scoring.